We got something pretty big today called Ultiland, which currently is in their pre-sale stage, phase number 1. The market is looking great, everything is up. I think rates got cut just about an hour ago and we had this spike over here, and various different categories that are within crypto, whether it's memes or DeFi and so on, are now finally starting to pump. One of the bigger categories that we also hold a couple coins from is real world assets, RWA. And while the entire category looks pretty good over the last 7 days, we have a protocol stack for real world asset issuance and services originated from art, making it so that RWA becomes trendy by meme and art. It's a combination of both to deepen the integration between blockchain and traditional finance markets. We're talking about their pre-sale, which we are going to go into more detail later on how to buy it, how to participate, and all the details for that. To say it really quickly, just to sum it up in the beginning, current price is 80 cents per token, with the last phases up until phase 8 going to be $1.50 per token, meaning if you get in right now, that's a 2x almost, just based on the value alone, and that doesn't calculate into market, hype, launch price, and all the other things. And before we talk about that pre-sale, let's back it up. What is it all about? What do they do? What's the vision, the mission, everything that we need to know? The slogan is from every land to Ultiland, in which they are an issuance platform for real-world assets with native art plus Web3 dual DNA, specializing in art asset issuance and trading. They aim to build an ecosystem including their launchpad, Art AI Agent, iProtocol, dArt, and more, which allows artists and Web3 enthusiasts to tokenize real-world assets represented by artworks into customized tokens. Memes are also welcome, as they are an expression and performance of art, while addressing all the speculative and liquidity issues common with NFTs, by doing things like enhancing liquidity and market engagement and more, with more things to come in the future, including an AI agent and the other things that I just mentioned. Now, since 2024 and Q4, they completed quite a few things, and at this stage, while I read a couple things, I will also show their latest YouTube video, which was a summary of their A Star is Born event. They built the initial community structure, released Art AI Agent alphas, and have now the mainnet launched, starting the Art X presale in TGE, which is happening soon, and aim for functional expansions and asset diversification over the next couple quarters, with a long-term vision of building their own SDK and API ecosystem, and ultimately evolving into a decentralized nation of cultural assets, which is all creator-led and community-owned over the course of the next couple of years. And if we look at the pre-sale overview of the token as a whole, there are quite a few informations, but in short, they have 280 million tokens total, with the initial supply of 120 mil and the subsequent supply of 160. Those are called mini ArtX tokens, which are one-to-one equivalent to ArtX, generated through staking pools and creative mining. And that mini ArtX token, which we can buy in the pre-sale, can be used to release the main token ArtX, join staking pools with up to 300% APY, so like a 4x by itself within 1 year, gaining priority access and a couple more things, while also gaining a bunch of different benefits like quality of high tier mining incentives, accelerated release, and the benefit of locking in future token production rights at a low cost. There's also a 6% base commission rate, which means let's say you buy the token and you know somebody else who is into art wants to buy the token anyways, might as well send them a link and benefit that way. Everything is settled in real time for that. While the token is also being built to be deflationary, to lower supply and increase demand over time. Plus there are a couple different badges behind it to have it more gamified and collectible when it comes to the airdrop, referring people, and getting a certain amount of tokens. And what is also happening fairly soon, so in this following week, and then see Ultiland there. They're one of the sponsors for the Korea Blockchain Week 2025, which is co-hosted by Token Post, Korea's largest blockchain media, as well as Kaya, the leading Korean layer 1 blockchain, which is pretty big in the industry. I think I made a video before about Korea as a whole when it comes to blockchain, but they have like their own additional world of chains and projects, NFTs, that most people forget and don't think about, but are certainly pretty big. Some of the other projects featured there are Arkham, for example, that we use when it comes to blockchain analytics, tracking, and all of that, which means that Ultiland puts themselves in front of Asia's leading blockchain and crypto projects, as well as some of the most influential Web3 builders, investors, and communities. Now, at the same time, as all of this happening, they also have a 34 million ArtX airdrop happening now in Season 1, of which they have 3 total seasons, this is Season 1 right now, of creative campaigns. And because there are only 280 million tokens as the entire supply, this is like 13% of the entire supply just in airdrops alone. Join now, create, and earn, which might be something for you as well. Because let's say you're interested in pre-sales, but you don't have the liquidity or you don't want to spend money just yet, then airdrop farming is always a good opportunity. All in all, when it comes to how things are being built in here, there's a lot of text. And I really mean, if you want to read through everything in the documents page, you're probably here for about an hour when it comes to governance, just tokenomics alone, how it works, use cases, technology, and all of that. But if you sum it up, thus, this is a call to the pre-sale over here, which also shows you that they are audited by CertiK, giving them a 70 score up here, with a couple small things that were found in the contract, which have since been resolved, putting them in the top 15% of all contracts, and making sure everything in here is secure and ready to launch. And if you want to participate in the presale alone, obviously link for that is down below. You'll click on sign in, select your option, whether it's Wallet Connect or MetaMask. Select that, see the current price over here. It should be 80 cents, most likely. But then again, if it's in phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, price goes up more and more, 10 cents per round, meaning at the current price compared to the price in the final phase in phase 8 would give you a 2x on that alone. Let's say we were to put in 50 USD, you will get 62.5 mini ARTX, which can be bought on the Binance Smart Chain or on Base. Just make sure on Base that you have enough USDC and on the Binance Smart Chain that you have enough USDT available, so you can buy the tokens that way. Plus, as they also say, the earlier you join, the lower the cost and the bigger the upside. Mini ARTX supports accelerated release, reducing the unlock period from 200 days to 100 days, plus staking of 300% coupled with the airdrop task that you can find on the airdrop section and icon up there, where you have daily task, one-time task, growing task, all of that. You can get quite a few tokens that way. You can also launch your own idea when it comes to the token icon, the symbol, display name. They make it as easy as possible to get started with that. And you know, when it comes to art, just click around, see what you like, see what you see. They're not just strategic partners with Hashk Capital, one of the biggest that we know of in all of crypto, but they also have some bigger artists behind it with the collections featured on Ultiland. So if you like real-world assets, you like pre-sales, and the combination of traditional art with blockchain technology might be something for you. In any case, I will leave links to everything down below. You know it's not financial advice, but based on the current price compared to the final phase, so 80 cents compared to $1.50, and the free tokens you get from doing airdrop tasks and all of that, might make this on a project that is new to the market, but with the long-term vision here to stay. Links to everything down below. Let me know any questions and I see you in the next video. Take care.